I'm watching it happen live.
Transition, yeah, yeah.
Whoa!
Okay, hello, internets.
Welcome to the stream.
Yeah. Okay. So, what's the plan for today, you guys?
So first of all, we're gonna do some error fixing for pulling changes, and we're also going to commit changes using the front end UI for Livre journal.
Okay. All right, sounds good. Let's see what the problem is with your poker FE. So you're saying the problem is you pulled, and then what did you immediately after you pulled? What did you try to do?
So I pulled both the front end and back end.
Good.
Here.
That's perfect.
And so I tried running the program.
Uh-huh.
And it gave me these errors listed here.
Okay. So, all right, sounds good. Did you run npm install?
Yes, I did it somewhere. So that was... Yeah, right here I did it. I just tried to figure out, okay, what does this mean? And I tried to do that, and I tried to run afterwards, and then it gave me that error.
Okay, got it. All right, so if that's the case, then I believe the problem is, actually, I don't know what the problem is. Let's see what the error is. The following dependencies are imported. Hey, Mitt, but could not be resolved. Okay, let's take a look at the git status real fast. Okay, so just that. All right, can we take a look at your package JSON? Right. Yeah, there's hardly anything in here. Okay, let's take a look at that error message again. Try to run it again. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. So you have your index.html. Let's click on that. Yep, right there. And there is your main. And then when you click on, and it's saying, are they installed? Okay, and then when you click on main.js, what is it? What do you see there? Let's scroll to the top. Style.css 3 JS. Interesting. Go back to your package JSON real fast. Okay, one sec. I am going to try it in my own environment.
Okay.
I'm going to share my screen so that you can see what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do is actually, so that's poker FE. Okay, my git is clean. So let's see here, npm run dev. All right, so mine starts. Okay, so far so good. Now, I am going to just try a thing where I remove the node modules. So, oh, sorry, I forgot to share my screen. One sec. share my entire screen. Go. And let's make the terminal bigger for the stream anyway. Okay, so let's put that there. So I'm going to remove the node modules. The node modules folder is where things get installed. And I'm not sure how... So this will basically reinstall it. npm start. No, npm run dev. Does it work? Ah, it doesn't work. How interesting. Okay. All right, so whatever is currently installed in the set of dependencies that we have currently set up is broken. And I'm not sure what exactly the problem is. Let's do a thing. Remove package lock.json. npm install. So package lock.json keeps track of all the dependencies and all of their sub dependencies, like the very specific versions that were used to make the build. For whatever reason, something is currently broken with the locked-in dependencies. So the idea that I had was if I remove the package lock, then I can get it to install updated versions of everything. And I'm just hoping that this time around it will work. We'll see. But it doesn't. Okay. Okay. All right. We should do some live debugging. So my idea in this case will be, let's do some internet searching to see what could be caused by this.
Is that what the kids call it these days?
What do you Google? Let's Google it.
Oh.
Let's so I'm just gonna let's search the internet's Vite optimize steps. Maybe it's this one here. Process ticks and rejections. Let's try searching for this. Let's see what the first one says. No answers, actually. Uh-oh. Okay. Well, there is obviously something wrong. And my debugging process is not going to be beginner friendly. So at this point, I'm pretty sure this is going to require me to dive really deep to see what's going on. So with that in mind, now that I know that there's this problem, I will fix it off stream and commit the fix back to our GitHub, and we'll be golden. Sound good?
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay. All right. All right. Okay, next thing then. All right, so what's the next thing? The next thing is...
Committing using front-end UI.
Oh, yes. Okay, committing using front-end UI. By the way, I can barely hear you.
No.
Okay, I'll move it closer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come closer.
All right, Satch, are you driving?
Ooh. Yeah.
All right, share your screen.
Cool. One moment. Okay, I'm sharing it now. A lot of things opened. Should I remove this window to a different window?
Sure.
Leave
You
that
can
over
do.
there.
You can do whatever you like. All right.
This is poker.
This is poker.
Can I close it?
Should you close it?
you can In fact, we ran into the same error on the Mac as well as we were trying to pull.
Yeah, and we ran into it on my machine as well after I was able to replicate. So
yeah, so I'm wondering if like maybe because of your work, maybe somehow it just managed to work on its own, and then like removing it and then reinstalling. That just
I'm not sure. I still have to. I'll have to spend some time to try and figure it out. Anyway, yeah. Let's focus on a new thing. It's gonna be easy. It's too easy to derail me. If you start having me think about that problem, we'll spend the whole time doing that. And which might not be a problem if that's what you want to do. Actually, we can, but I really think it's better use of your guys' time. Let me teach you something more valuable, get you going, and let me deal with the annoying, not useful. Like, it's not going to be useful for me to debug that for you. I can just tell you what the problem was, and then you'll be happier. But what I do think is it's probably the case that I installed something at some point, and or something was installed, and we depend on it somewhere, and I don't know what it is, but it doesn't break until we try to use something. And I'm pretty sure it'll be like the solution is going to be to npm install something, but I don't know what it is yet. Something is missing from the dependency list, and I just don't know what it is, and figuring it out is not at all interesting. So let's not worry about that.
Understood.
All right. So, all right. Why don't you do a quick demo of what you got working?
I added more ratings. So at first we just had these two.
I think you're going to want to start up your server. Right, Satch?
Oh. Yeah.
Wait, or maybe it's running.
Isn't it started already if this is up?
If it's working, yeah. But let's see. Is that node? Click on node over there in your VS Code.
Node. Oh yeah.
Okay, yeah. So that's where it's running. Sounds good. Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Demo. Sorry to interrupt.
No worries. So I just added these extra plot development, all these extra ratings down here, and then this is your overall. And then we also did this snowman menu that leads to nowhere. That's
okay.
It.
All right. So you got the snowman. You got the snowman there, but it doesn't currently produce a menu.
No, but it's clickable. Look at it go.
So pretty. All right. Okay. And that's where the data is updating in the back end.
Yeah.
Oh, so look at all those ratings.
Updates in here. And it works. Yeah.
Love it. Love it. Okay. So let's go back to the app, and let's just think about what we got working so far and what else we want to get working. Right? So we want a menu, of course. Back to the original screen. To the main list of apps, the main list of books. Do you want this page to look any different?
I see. So now would be the time to change this area?
Well, not necessarily. You can do whatever you like.
Well, I guess on the home page there would be bookshelf options, so you can let's say there were a long list of books, you can sort them into categories of bookshelves.
Mm-hmm.
But
So
I
so
don't
you
know.
kind of have a notion of want to read as well as read, and currently this list is only read, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Okay. So we should think that one through. I think the difference between want to read and read is basically just a toggle, like a like in the database you would put it in the same place as all your other books, but you have a flag whether or not you read it,
Hmm.
or even like a percentage of the book read.
Oh yeah, just like Kindle. That's what they do.
Yeah. So that's a thing we can do, and you can just say if you cross 90%, you can just call it read. You know,
I
I
don't.
mean the last 10% is often like
You know what's happening already.
no, it's like references and all this other
Oh,
stuff.
that's coming from someone who reads textbooks. You don't
No,
do that
no.
over
There's also other things at the end. Like oftentimes there's an excerpt from the next book or something. Anyway,
here. Oh yeah, true.
so those are things we can do.
Yeah,
But
like add a little like completion tab or something, or completion tick.
completion tick, okay.
Oh, I thought that's what you meant.
No, that is what I meant. We can do that.
Okay.
So we should do that. Okay.
Okay.
And maybe we can do the settings. We should maybe make a menu for the snowman. That's the other
Yeah.
thing we should do. All right. Before we do that, let's commit your change. But before you do that, you should fix your warnings.
Okay.
So in app.js,
Oh, app.js. Oops.
yeah. So it's telling you that there's 3 imports that are not used. So if you go to the top, it says line 12. Yeah, so you can delete line 12 and 13.
And this one?
Yeah.
Was
All
there a
right.
space here before?
Just push save. It will auto format for you.
Cool.
All right.
Wow, green now.
Yeah. It's
Love that.
green. It's best when it's green.
Yeah.
That reminds me, at some point, I should teach you guys how to write some tests, so that you don't always have to test your stuff manually. It's useful to have some automated tests. Make sure that you don't accidentally break things. Future lesson though. It's not at all fun to well, some people find tests fun. I actually find them fun, but not everyone does. It's certainly not like getting to make new features or anything. So, all right, let's try and commit and upload. Yeah.
Yes. So do I push git commit?
So I think you can use. I think you can use the UI. I don't know how. I've never done it, but let's give it a try. I think it's that button there, the arrow with the dot on it. Click on that in the left panel, the icon with the arrow over the dot.
This
Oh, that's
one.
not it. No. Oh, that one there. Yeah, actually, the branchy looking thing.
This thing.
Yeah, click that. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Let's make that window slightly bigger.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Uh,
this whole thing.
I'm thinking just the tab area over there. Yeah, just make that piece a
Oh.
little bigger. Okay. All right. So these. Okay, I think I'm understanding here. These are the changes that are currently available. Could you move your mouse over the plus button?
This one?
Yeah, let's see what it says. Stage changes. Okay. So in the previous video when we talked about Git and how it works, I mentioned to you that you need to prepare a change, commit the change, then push the change. So staging a change is the process of preparing the change you want. Okay? So in this case, we want to prepare a change that includes all the changes. So you can just click the plus button on app.js. So so now app.js will get committed, right? And you also want your changes to review edit. So you click the plus on that as well. Great. So now everything is staged. All the changes in your workspace are ready to be pushed up to GitHub. Okay. Now we need to.
Easy.
Sorry, say again.
That's really easy. Right?
Yeah, it looks like.
Okay.
Just make sure so from now on, if it is that easy, then we'll just always do this. Okay. Now we need to actually make the commit. Okay. So could you mouse over the check mark at the top there? What does it say? Okay. All right. Also, I think we need to change who you are. I think you're committing as my name with my email, so it doesn't look like you did any work. We'll have to fix that. We'll do it after. Go into the commit message there. Into the area at the top there, yeah, just at the top. Okay, and type in a message for what this change is.
As in like more ratings?
Sure.
Ratings and Snowman?
Yes.
Like that?
Okay. Now click the little check mark. Let's see if this works. Okay. That worked.
Did it work?
Sort of. It's missing a button. It's missing the push. Like, now you need to do one more step in order for this to work. You need to push your change up to GitHub. Yeah, click the 3 dots. Let's see. Sideways snowman. Push. There it is. Click push.
Hey.
Uh-oh. Okay. Okay. Cancel.
Darn.
All right. Okay, we should probably set that up then in order for you to be able to do it. In the meantime, I'll show you how to do it from the command line. Maybe we should set up your environment. What do you think? Let's set up your environment.
Sure.
It's going to take a bit of effort, but it's worth doing.
Housekeeping.
Yeah, just a bit of housekeeping. So it wants personal access tokens. Okay, we can do that. Okay, click on your click on the, let's open up a terminal.
Like this one?
Yes. And what could you type ls space dot git and then push tab twice? Okay, I see. Okay. Let's okay, backspace all this, and then type code space dot file dot then dot files, like that. Yeah, one more. Yep. Enter. Oh, what? Why? Why did this happen? Okay, click on your VS Code real fast, and then go to code in the menu, top left menu. Way in the top left.
Oh.
Hold on one sec. We basically want to install the oh, I know what to do. Go to restart to update. Go back to your VS Code and then type Command Shift P.
Here?
Yep. And just type install. Yeah, the first one.
Shell command.
Yeah, click that. All right, click OK. All right, go back to your terminal. Okay, run that command again.
Command
Oh,
Shift P.
actually,
no.
Control D. Let's close this terminal and start a new one. All right,
How
open
do you
up a
start
new.
one? Control N.
A new one would be Command N, actually. Okay. All right, let's do this one more time. Code, and then actually just push a dot. Just put dot there and hit enter. Okay. All right, that's working. Yes, I trust the authors.
And this?
No, just yes, I trust for now. That's fine. Okay. All right, open up the dot files folder there. And click on git config. Oh, okay. So you've added Sachi Sharma already. Okay, so you are committing as Sach. All right. So that housekeeping is fine. Okay. The next thing we need to do is enable personal access tokens. So let's look that up on the internets. Let's go to a browser and just search. Just type in enable GitHub VS Code.
It's in this place here?
Let's go to the first link. The second link, sorry. That one, yeah. Okay, so oh, okay. So it says to install the GitHub pull request and issues extension. Okay, so go to the VS Code. Yeah, click on the little extension button. Which
Extension?
I think, yeah, the little thing, Tetrisy looking thing.
Oh man.
And
It's
type GitHub there.
What's right here? This is the one?
Yes. Click install.
Where do they go and rate these things?
All right.
Cool.
Okay.
Go back here.
Yeah, now click on the little the octopus cat icon. It's a new icon next to.
Oh, wait, this?
Yeah.
Why
But
did you say octopus? It's just a cat.
no, it's an octopus cat.
It is.
Yeah. Click sign in. Allow. Continue. Authorize. All right.
Should I open it? It's open already.
Sure. Click open. Open. All right. That looks good. All right. So now we need to push our changes.
Would it be in here?
Let's go back to the branches button. I wonder if it would have fixed that. Yeah, click there. And then, oh, could you mouse over that new icon there? What does it say? Next to the check mark. What's that? Oh, it's create pull request. I see. Interesting. Is that what I wanted? That's not really what I wanted to do, but I'm starting to see that maybe we should have created a special branch for it. I just wanted to push main directly. Could you click the little branch button again? And then let's click on the 3 dots.
Is that this one?
And what happens if you click push now? Does it still fail? Git remote. Support for password authentication is removed. Okay. I see. So we can set up the personal access token, but I think that what we should actually do is try to use this the way that I think Microsoft or GitHub or whoever sort of intends people to use it, as opposed to pushing main directly. And rather than that, do a pull request. So click cancel, and then click on the little the new pull request icon that got created below the cat. So this is the pull request. Scroll down to the bottom. Okay, what happens if you click create? It should fail, I think, but let's see. Do you want to push your local commits and create? Yeah, click push. Fail to execute. Yeah, sort of what I expected, because you're supposed to be on a different branch in order to create a pull request. Could you scroll up a little bit? Okay. If you click on the main branch there in the merge changes from, click that. Okay. Let's go back to the document that we were reading. Let's see if there's something useful here. Okay. New idea. Let's just git push. It will just work. Go back to the terminal. Yeah. Create a click the ZSH there. Type git push there.
Oh no.
Oh no, sorry. CD into Livre journal. I don't know why you're not already there.
How do I do that?
CD
Type
space Livre dash journal. Just, yeah, you can use tab if you remember to complete.
True.
Enter. Okay, git push. Oh. Oh, I see. Okay. I see. So this is not working for anybody. All right. Okay. Let's set you. Okay, so we need to set up GitHub for this. All right. Okay. Could you click that link? Push.
First one?
Yeah, click that. Command click. Okay, let's scroll a little bit past the background. Let's just see how to do it. If you receive a warning. Okay, click a personal access token. Okay. Okay, let's scroll a little bit. Yep. All right, so let's open up another window so that we can follow the documentation as well. Yeah. All right. And go to github.com.
I have to go to the whole thing.
All right, click on U in the top right there and go to settings. We're just basically following the documentation. All right, scroll a little bit.
Developer settings. Personal access tokens. Generate new. Note. What is this? Livre journal?
Type your MacBook name. Okay. Set the expiry to never. Beep
Beep
bop.
boop. Tokens select for our scary expiration dates are highly recommended. Why are they scary?
Because if someone gets your token, they can do whatever they want in your GitHub.
What if we do it to 50 years?
It's not going to make it super. It's effectively the same as forever.
Yeah.
Click the repo button.
Like this?
Yeah. Okay. And then click generate token.
What about what they're clicking on?
I think you only need just this one. All right.
Okay.
Scroll down a little bit over on the left again, some more. Okay, make sure you press the copy button. Okay. Let's see, using a token on the command line. You can just, yeah, let's scroll down there a little bit. Personal access tokens can only be used for HTTPS operations. Okay. Oh, okay. So now open up your terminal.
iTerm or VS Code?
VS Code, where we were running commands before. Type git fetch, git space fetch. Enter. Okay. Git, and then I don't know how to get it to ask you for your token. Git push again. Yeah, how do we make it? Hold on, I need to search. Git push. Switch to personal access token. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. So, I need to pause this stream so that people don't see something. I think that... How do I pause the stream? Oh, I know. I can just go back to the intro scene.
Okay.
All right. Sorry about that, internets. We had we had to do some token things, and it's not appropriate for the tokens to be visible to the world. So we're back now, though. Okay. So, Satch, good job uploading your change. That was not quite as smooth as it could have been. What we should do actually is maybe offline, or maybe at the end of the stream, we can just set up our Git environments properly. I let you guys do the simple username password method because that was straightforward and easy. But now I'm starting to see that it's important for us to it sort of bit us by not doing it the way I normally do it, which is I usually put in a public private key into GitHub, and then that authenticates me. So what we'll do is when we're done here, we'll do that. But the stream's almost done, and all we did was configure stuff. Maybe we should just. Maybe that's what we should just do. Let's just get everything. Let's just get everything working. Let's get poker working, and let's get this stuff working properly. What do you guys think?
Yeah, you can just make it a housekeeping stream.
Yeah, I think we need a housekeeping one. I'm sorry, internets, but this stream has to end because housekeeping is not interesting, and sometimes has tokens that people will need to see. So we're signing off. Appreciate everybody who came to watch. Bye.